Valérie Pécresse is a French politician serving as president of the Regional Council of Île-de-France since 2015. A member of Soyons libres, which she founded in 2017, before she left the Republicans, she was the member of the National Assembly for the 2nd constituency of Yvelines from 2002 to 2007, and again from 2012 to 2016, Minister of Higher Education and Research from 2007 to 2011 and Minister of Budget and Government Spokeswoman from 2011 to 2012. In July 2021, Pécresse declared her candidacy for the Republican nomination in the 2022 presidential election. On 4 December 2021, she was elected by the Republicans' Congress as their candidate for the 2022 election. Pécresse is the daughter of prominent economist Dominique Roux, who taught at Université Paris Dauphine and later served as CEO of Baller. She has law degrees from HEC Paris and ENA. She speaks French, English, Russian, and Japanese. Pécresse was an auditor of the Conseil d'État until 1998, when she was designated counselor to President Jacques Chirac. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.